Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you SST and the chapter's name is Evolution of Communication. We are talking how we are talking by communication. What is communication? The exchange of information by speaking, writing and gesture is termed as communication. We communicate by expressing our thoughts to others and by understanding their thoughts. Human beings have evolved different modes of communication over time. How people communicate in past. Early humans did not know how to read and write. They communicate using signs and gestures. They learned to deliver long distance messages by beating the drums or giving indication through smoke or fire. Some animals and birds were also used to send messages from place to another place. Gradually, they learned to express their thoughts and ideas using pictures and paintings. Archaeologists have found many cave paintings from prehistoric sites. The painting appear to express thought and in idea concerning daily life. These images can be considered as a form of language because in some cases they seem to be telling a story, such as that of a hunting expedition. Need for writing. When the early humans became farmers and herders, they felt the need to keep records of their animals and farm products. This need of keeping records led directly to the development of their own language and invention of writing. Initially, prehistoric form of writing was introduced. In this, a picture is used to represent a word or phrase. Over time, the need of writing changed and pictures were replaced by alphabets and letters to form words and sentences. Evolution of communication. Use of parrots. In earlier time, messages were sent through messengers. The messengers travel from one place to another to deliver the message to the receiver. Pigeons are also used for sending messages to far off places. Homing pigeons are a variety of domestic pigeons were effective as messengers because of their natural ability to find their way. Messages were written on a piece of paper and attached to pigeon's leg. They were released to deliver the messages to the receiver. Persians were the first one to train and use pigeons for communication. Romans used pigeons to help their military over 2000 years ago. In England, pigeons were often taken for football matches and released to carry home the result of the game. The Mughals in India also used pigeons for communicating. The use of pigeons for delivering messages was popular even in 20th century. Over 1 lakh pigeons were used in World War I as messengers. Printing press. Printing press is a machine that prints books, magazines and newspapers in large numbers. Johannes Gutenberg of Germany invented printing press around 1440. This invention brought about a revolution in the field of communication, as the books were handwritten before the printing press was invented. They were less in numbers and were very expensive. Only rich could afford to buying them. Printing press made it possible to print thousands of copies of books in less time and at lower cost. Books would be accessed by almost everyone, not just the rich. Printing of newspaper also started. It made information more reality available to everyone. Postal system communication by writing that was carried and delivered by a messenger is as old as the invention of writing. However, the modern postal system developed in 19th century. The postal system allowed people to send letters or parcels within or outside the country through post offices. Telegraph and telegram. Invention of telegraph and telephone made communication much faster and easier. Telegraph is an instrument used for sending or receiving messages using electrical signals. It was invented by Samuel F. B. Morse and Sir Charles Weston in 1835. It worked by transmitting electrical signals over a wire laid between two distant places. A telegraph message called telegram was sent by an operator using Morse code. The Morse code consists of dots and dashes which represent letters of alphabet, numeral and punctuation. Message would delivered quickly due to telegraph and is reduced physical travel of messengers to a great extent. However, the use of telegraph was declined since the beginning of 21st century. It has been replaced by the later innovations such as telephone, fax machine and internet. A telephone is a communication device that enables people to talk to one another wherever they may be. Alexander Graham Bell is credited with the development of first partial telephone in 1876. The telephone is inexpensive and simple to operate. As a result, it has become the most widely used means of communication in history of mankind. Fax or fax machine is a device that is attached to the telephone and through which written messages can be sent. With the development of technology, there were improvements in the design of telephone instruments and its uses. The modern form of telephone is the mobile phone, a device which can carry along wherever one goes. We can speak to anyone from anyone and at any time using it. People also send messages called SMS. Mobile means mobility. Radio and television. Both radio and television were invented in early 20th century. These became easy means of communication, communicate information or news to thousands of people at same time. They also became great source of entertainment for people. Radio is widely used to make announcements even today. Computers and internet. The computer is a device used for processing, storing, and displaying information. All of us use computers almost every day. Computers are cyclical for communication. Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks. The early 1990s saw the emergence of household internet use, which eventually increased common use of email, websites, blogs, social networking, video chat, and voice over internet protocol. Even this YouTube is in internet. Internet is a source of connection to entire world. Not only does it help in communication but also help in shopping, bill payments, booking tickets, and many more activities. Satellites are electronic devices that are sent to space through rockets. They revolve around our planet. They receive and transmit signals. Telephone, television, and computer signals are sent through these communication satellites. It is through these signals that we are able to see live cricket or football matches taking place in any part of the world. The images sent help us in forecasting weather and climate. There are over 2,000 communication satellites revolving around Earth, both by private and government organizations. Modern invention in the field of communication have made the world a very tiny place where connecting with people is no longer difficult. However, excessive advancement also had led to increase in crime rates. Cybercrime has also become very common all over the world. Hence, people must learn to use such resources wisely. I hope that you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So bye bye friends. And also the weekly winner is this. I have got only one message, so he or she will be the winner only. So bye bye friends.